Have you had a company tell you they can get started on your project within 1 to 2 weeks? You need to watch this video and you need to beware. Why can that company get out there so quick? What does that say about that company? Think a little deeper than just the satisfaction that you get that they're going to be able to get started on your project in a quick fashion. You need to think a little bit longer term and wonder and ask yourself, if they can get started that quick, what is their reputation like? Are they new in the industry? Do they know what they're doing? And the reason we ask these questions is there's tons of statistics out there that talk about the failure rate of new businesses. So typically if a company can get out there that quick, they're typically a new business or they're an established business that is hurting big time. The average lead time for starting a job in our industry is anywhere from 7 to 10 weeks. If a company can get out quicker than that, you need to be asking a lot of questions. You need to be looking at their Google reviews. You need to be looking them up on YouTube, looking at their website, get references from them, do your homework, and just be cautious, because what we see a lot of times is they will win and land jobs because number one, they'll be the cheapest bid. Number two, they can get started right away. But the problem is in 16 to 18 months, when something happens to your crawl space or foundation or basement and you call them, you're going to get a busy tone. And when you go to their website, they're going to say out of business, or their Facebook's going to be shut down. And at the end of the day, you're not going to be able to get any service out of that company. So make sure that when a company tells you they can get started right away, find out why. There may be a few circumstances where a customer had to move their job back or a previous customer canceled their job and they can fit you in, and that's understandable. But if they just simply don't have enough work to get them out past 2 weeks, that's not a good sign for business, and it definitely should cause you some concern. Hopefully this helps on what to look for when a company tells you they can get out there quick, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.